Hello, Sonny. Hi, this is Tony Finley here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, and I want to thank you for contacting us on the beautiful 2017 Santa Fe. Now, this is the exact one that you inquired about by the stock number. If you walk around here to the front, you'll notice one of my favorite things about the new 2017 Santa Fe is the awesome look of the front end. You got the chrome grille here with the H in it, the beautiful aggressive front end here, but check out these beautiful LED lights and fog lights, wraparound headlights. You do get 19-inch aluminum wheels. Now, this is the ultimate package, as you know, so it's very well equipped with things like navigation, backup camera, panoramic sunroof, push-button start with a proximity key. It also has captain chairs on this particular vehicle here with leather interior. You also get power seat on both sides, cruise control, stereo control, Bluetooth capability, heated and cooled seats. You also have multimedia for iPods and USB. You do have the Blue Link, and I'll tell you all about the Blue Link system when you come in. Now, this vehicle right here get outstanding gas mileage, 23 and 17 in city and highway, combined city and highway of 20. Comes with an outstanding warranty, 10 years, 100,000 miles from Hyundai. But here at Tameron, we're gonna give you another 10 years for a total of 20 years, 200,000 miles. No cost and no strings attached. That means you're not married to my service department, but we do like for you to come in. So we hope we get your service business. But you're also going to get a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. Now, Sonny, I am here to take care of your needs and wants on this vehicle. So my name is Tony Finley. You can reach me at 205-380-6250 or hit me on my cell at 205-335-3988. Give me a call. Let's set up a time for you to come in while I still have the exact vehicle that you're looking for and get you in there. I promise you great service and a great price on this vehicle.